First, prepare the documents need to separate and place on the document processor. The demonstration is 3 documents with 2 pages each. Press Send on the device home screen. Select the destination in the address book. Switch to the original Send Data Format page. Select File Separation. Press On. Select the number of pages for each file to separate, then press OK. Finally, press Start to scan. Each scanned document will be added the file separation numbers behind the name